as you can see, the wheels are back on the tractor. It's a good thing, good way to start off the morning. Worked late last night and was really tired. Didn't want to wrestle with those tires because not only do they have weights on them, they're also loaded. So when you're tired, it's not a good thing to do. So anyway, wheels are back on the tractor. I've got to put a couple of inspection covers on. I've got the starter back on. We're going to winch it up onto the trailer. And the only reason I'm doing that is because the radiator is not in it and I do not want to run the motor. So we're going to get it on the trailer, take it to the car wash, and get it all cleaned up. And we're going to paint a few things like the fan shroud and the toe board and do some more cleaning on the hitch because it's really nasty from all the years of leaking. So that's where we're at. It's Saturday morning. It's going on the trailer. We're headed to the car wash. Come back, do a little bit of detail work, and hopefully by tonight it will be running. If it is running tonight, you'll see it. If not, you'll see it tomorrow because it will be running tomorrow after church. Well, thanks for watching so far. Stay tuned to see the little tractor live again. Have a good day. I'm gonna let you work it. I gotta hold the steering wheel straight. Okay. Take time. All right, go ahead. Got it loaded, we're ready. I'm gonna strap her down and we're headed to the car wash. Stay tuned.